Hey everyone, ready for a taste of sunshine? Today, we're making the most refreshing, vibrant dessert that will transport you straight to a tropical paradise: homemade mango shaved ice. It's incredibly easy and absolutely delicious. Get ready to impress your taste buds. You only need a few stars for this show. Grab 2 ripe sweet mangoes. The riper, the better for that intense flavor. You'll also need about half a cup of milk, any kind works, and a tablespoon or 2 of condensed milk for that extra creamy sweetness. First, peel and chop your mangoes into chunks. Pop them into a freezer-safe bag and freeze them solid for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This is our secret to perfect shaved ice texture. Once frozen, transfer the mango chunks to a powerful blender or food processor. Add the milk and condensed milk. Now blend until it forms a smooth, icy, sorbet-like consistency. You might need to pulse and scrape down the sides a few times to get it just right. Scoop your glorious mango shaved ice into bowls. For an extra treat, drizzle with a little more condensed milk, or top with fresh mango cubes. A sprinkle of toasted coconut flakes or a mint leaf adds a lovely touch and makes it look extra special. There you have it, a dessert that's light, refreshing, and bursting with mango goodness. It's perfect for a hot day or whenever you need a little pick-me-up. Give this recipe a try and let me know how much you love it. Happy dessert making!